Want to turn your Minecraft world into an automated action zone? First, place a dispenser facing the direction you want your projectiles to fire. This block is the heart of our automatic system. Next, place a temporary block behind the dispenser. Put a redstone torch on any side of this temporary block. This will act as our initial power source. Now, remove the temporary block, leaving the redstone torch floating. Then, place redstone dust where the temporary block used to be. This connects the torch's power to the surrounding area. Create a circle of redstone dust around the dispenser, leaving a 1-block gap. This circle will form the timing circuit for our rapid-fire mechanism. Place a redstone repeater in the gap, making sure it faces into the redstone circle. Repeaters help maintain the signal strength and control the firing rate. Click on the repeater to adjust its delay. The more you click, the slower the firing rate. Experiment to find your preferred speed. Place a redstone comparator facing away from the circle. This clever component detects changes in the circuit, which is key to the consistent rapid fire. Connect the output of the comparator to the side of the dispenser using redstone dust. This link makes sure the dispenser activates every time the circuit cycles. Finally, fill the dispenser with arrows, fireworks, or any other item you want to launch, and that is it. You now have an automatic firing dispenser.